It's over 24 hours since the president addressed the nation, and the key aspect or thing he talked about is the adherence to the COVID-19 protocols. There's been a surge in the COVID-19 cases, and is asking that people wear their mask. I'm right in front of the East Legon police station. Find out if people are actually wearing their nose mask, if the police themselves are adhering to it, and the enforcement of this particular protocol. So why are you not wearing your nose mask?
I just got here and I took it off to get fresh air. Yeah.
We're not wearing your nose mask and now you're wearing it.
That one there's nothing I know about it. I just got the information that the virus is in, so I need to protect myself.
So personally, you don't believe?
I do believe, but I don't believe it 100%.
So why are you not wearing your nose?
Oh, no, the nose mask in there. May I not trust that thing? Because so catch me say COVID-19 work Ghana no yet say achieve bim.
I don't believe there's COVID-19 and the government is asking us to wear a nose mask. But look, I am right in front of a police station and they are not wearing the nose mask.
So police are here share. Police soldier for here share. Last year called Michelle Camp.
The last time I was at Michelle Camp, there was no one wearing the mask. If they don't wear it, they should not expect us to wear it.
Today, when I was coming, I sat in a kiosk, but it looks like just two people who were in the nose mask, and even those who were in it, they were not. It wasn't positioned well. When I'm around people, I wear it. A lot of people, I wear it. But like when I'm alone, I don't wear it.
Unfortunately, this is the situation most people I've spoken to, most people I see on the streets are not wearing their nose mask. And even at the East Legon police station, a number of policemen going in and out are not practicing the COVID-19 protocols. They are not wearing their nose mask. I'm not seeing so much of the enforcement. For MX24, I am MFI Chichi.